In this video, I will show you how to enable customized dictionary on Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. A custom dictionary uses your typing patterns and handwriting history to create a customized dictionary. By default, this should already be switched on, but you might have accidentally disabled this at some point, so I'm going to show you how to turn this back on if you do want to go ahead and enable it again. To do this, come down to your taskbar, and what you want to do is click onto the Windows Start icon. Then what you want to do is come and click onto Settings. Now what it's going to do is open up your settings window, and from here you want to come to this menu on the left hand side and click onto Privacy and Security. Then what you want to do in here is come to the Windows Permission section and click where it says Inking and Typing Personalization. And this is where you're going to come to find your customized dictionary. As you can see at the top, it's currently turned off. So to enable this, all you need to do is simply turn the switch on, and that's going to enable your customized dictionary on Windows 11. So that is how to enable customized dictionary on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.